Hi, I am Rain M. Lubarbio, and in this analysis of Love at First Read, I will discuss how the story transformed the idea of love at first sight into love at first read. Through a simple diary, the characters discover emotion that change their lives. Love at First Read Brazil Series number 1 by Chinita is a popular Wattpad novel with 25 million reads. The story begins with a lost diary, one that Kudos never expected would flip his world upside down. Habang nakikipagsiksikan sa MRT, may nahulog na diary ng NTSB na napulot ang isang lalaki na may hobby na magpaiyak ng mga babae. Pero Kudos isn't what everyone thinks he is. He's not a bad boy, playboy, actor, model, dancer, singer, gangster, or a rich kid adored by all. He's just a simple guy who's obsessed with Chucky, a basketball MVP who struggles when it comes to girls. While he's desired by many, he's unsure of what his heart truly seeks. He's just the guy who picked up a lost diary when Lacrosse, Seryoso, Perseo, or simply Kudos Perseo. Dahil sa green diary na ito, nagbago ang lahat. A whirlwind of emotion hit him. Flashes of fear, rumblings of doubt, and a flood of what-ifs. He found himself unsure of how to regain his composure. It felt like he was sinking, being carried away, though he recognized the warning, but they only piqued his curiosity. He recovered to discover more and found himself unable to stop flipping through the pages of the girl's diary. Soon enough, he realized he's in deep trouble. After reading the diary, he believes that its owner, Abby, ang para sa kanya. However, nakilala rin niya si Angelica, isang babae na puno ng sama ng loob at walang interes sa pag-ibig. Though they clashed initially, their relationship begins to evolve as they learn more about each other. Now, Kudos finds himself torn between Angelica and Abby, unaware that they are actually the same person. This book offers a fresh perspective on the romance genre, transforming the typical love at first sight trope into love at first read. The story shows how the written word can cultivate deep emotional connection and ignite romance. Instead of focusing on immediate physical attraction, Kudos falls for Abby through her words and thoughts, showcasing a level of intimacy that's often overlooked in conventional romance stories. The narrative is engaging, drawing readers into the vivid emotion and thoughts of their character. The character development is carefully crafted, revealing authentic growth in each protagonist who faces personal challenges and insecurities, demonstrating that love requires vulnerability and bravery. Abby's diary serves as more than just a communication tool. It acts as a gateway to understanding her deeper feelings which she struggled to express face-to-face. Ang matagumpay na TV adaptation ay nagpapatibay sa halaga nito sa mahalagang storytelling, na pinatutunayan na love can be found not only in person, but also within the pages of diary or a book. To end this analysis, Love at First Read teaches that love is not only found through appearances, but through understanding someone's true thoughts and feelings. It provides that one diary and one moment can change everything. Thank you.